This is Sean Hollister with Engadget, and I'm here taking a look at the Volkswagen integration of Nokia's terminal mode. Take it away.
Okay, so what you see here is a special version of our RNS 510, how it's called. So most of the functionality is the same as in the standard RNS system, for example the radio menu, the media menu, etc. The only thing that's really special on this unit is that we can enable the video input with special hotkeys, for example the phone hotkey. So what I do now is just connect the Nokia phone via USB to this demonstrator, and I have to confirm here the protocol.
So what mode did you just put it in then? It's
the IP pass-through connectivity.
Oh, and
soon afterwards you see the whole application pops up on the main screen. Of course you can do the HMI implementation much nicer and smoother later on.
And so what we're actually looking at here is a clone of the screen then?
Yes.
From the phone directly to the car?
Exactly.
Oh, very interesting, very interesting. Go on.
And also one comment on the selection part, you asked about this kind of IP pass-through. So IP pass-through gives you the IP connectivity over USB, but in the final implementation, actually that process would happen automatically.
I see, and it looks like it's already charging the phone now, and you can see that
Yes.
indicator on the screen.
That's one of the advantages that we use USB. The phone is charged at the same time. The technology would work with wireless LAN as well.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So, want to walk us through the system and see what kind of things we can do now that we've got the phone screen on our car? Can we do everything? Is there anything we can't do?
Basically, yes. So we have the touchscreen system. So we can also use certain hotkeys. One hotkey we use for this demonstrator is this one, where you can switch between this kind of screen and the full screen mode.
Ah, I see.
So you can really use the whole display. But we have implemented this part screen because we also emulate some buttons that are directly on the phone, kind of shortcut buttons and buttons that are necessary to control the phone, like the menu button here. Oh, that was my bad. With the menu button I can switch here, and what you see down there, that's an additional speller that we can use that is optimized for the car, so we don't have to use the virtual speller of the phone. We pull the information what kind of keys are on the phone via the terminal mode and display this on the touchscreen, so it's much more flexible if we do this on the touchscreen than to have dedicated hotkeys for this.
Because different phones will have different
Exactly.
keys.
And besides these buttons, we can of course use all the touchscreen information. For example, I could start the music here. So it's played back via the car system, the car audio speakers.
Oh, yes.
And we can basically use every application on the phone. We could use navigation, for example.
Oh, there we go. Foothill Expressway in Palo Alto. Now we all know where Volkswagen's US headquarters
Exactly.
is.
Right. So
Research laboratories, I should say.
We could also enable the satellite view. I hope we have a good connection here. So it's supposed to download the satellite imagery. Usually we don't have the best connection here, but here we go.
There it is.
And within this navigation, we couldn't, of course, look for a destination. Maybe we should do this destination input right now. So, that was the wrong. Sorry, that was my bad.
It's all right.
Wrong key. So
ABC,
we could, for example,
keys.
look for SFO. Let's see what search results we get. There we go, SFO International Airport. Okay, so besides navigation, we could show, for example, internet browsing is also possible, or the OV store is possible.
So we can download new applications for the
Exactly.
And you've told us in the past that there may be car-specific applications, yes?
Right.
Right.
And the terminal mode protocol also offers the opportunity to get some car data out to the mobile phone, like mileage, etc.
Okay, so say I've got my N97 or other phone at this moment, and I want to get some things set up on it, my music, my navigation, and so on, before I get in the car. I've already got these destinations set in there, and I've got the music that I want to play, and I'm listening to it on my way to the car. Then I get to the car. Can I just plug it in and have it start working with the car?
Yeah.
Can you show me that?
San Francisco Airport. And now we see that the route is calculated.
So that's how we'd be doing it with our Nokia and our Android and our iPhones. Normally, we would just pop it into a cup holder or something in our car and drive and have to look back at our phone all the time. But now you can just plug it in and it'll show up on the screen there?
Exactly. So again, I have to choose this USB protocol. You see it's automatically switched in the right mode.
Oh, I see. Landscape mode.
Yes. And now it's supposed to show up on the head unit soon. There we go.
Screen it, and there it is.
Yes.
And then you can continue to go about your business just using the car screen from now on.
Exactly.